Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made my version of this really pretty mirror lamp that I saw online. So if you're interested in how I made my version for a fraction of the cost, then just keep watching. For this project, I used 2 of these wall plaques from Dollar Tree, some of these wooden tower game pieces, some napkin rings, some of these 1-inch mirror pieces that you can purchase from Michael's, this really pretty white lampshade that I ordered from Target.com, and then of course my strong adhesive glue gun and glue sticks. I'll have the complete list of what I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use a small screwdriver to remove the hardware from the back of my wall plaques. I then used my hot glue to attach the 1-inch mirrors to the back of those wall plaques. I then used my hot glue to attach the wooden pieces into 4-piece sets. I then used a strong adhesive and the hot glue to attach the wood pieces to each side of my first wall plaque. Here you see me use a combination of liquid nail and hot glue. This was my first time using liquid nail, and while it may work well for other projects, I did not like it for this one. I thought it was very messy and takes a really long time to dry. I think it takes about 48 hours to fully cure, and ain't nobody got time for that. So in hindsight, I should have used my E6000 here instead. After cleaning up the excess liquid nail, I then used my strong adhesive and hot glue to attach the second wall plaque with the small mirrors right on top. I let this dry for about 2 hours before moving to my next step. Here I'm using the liquid nail and the hot glue to attach the 1-inch mirrors to the sides of my design as well. Again, the liquid nail did not work well here. The next day it still wasn't dry, and I ended up pulling up these mirror pieces and adding just the E6000. This allowed the mirror pieces to lie a lot flatter, and it made the design look a lot better. I originally considered running a socket and cord through my lamp base so that I could operate my lamp with a regular light bulb, but decided to make this a LED lamp instead. To do so, I just added some additional wooden pieces to the top of my design. I ran out of the game pieces, so I just used some of the wood blocks that I had on hand that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. I glued those down and then added some 1-inch mirror pieces on top of that side as well. I also hot glued some of the 1-inch pieces around 3 napkin rings. These served as the neck of my lamp. I then used my E6000 to attach all 3 napkin rings to the top of my lamp base. I also used my E6000 to attach the lamp shade to the top of the napkin rings as well, and I allowed this to dry overnight. The next day, I cleaned my mirrors, added a Dollar Tree push light just for now. I may change that out later, and here was my finished look. After a little trial and error, I really like how this turned out. It's really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.